We just got hexed.
Yeah.
Hello, foolish mortals. This is Team Living Dead Duo with the scarefactor.com. We are here at Hexed in Elliston, Virginia. This is about 30 minutes outside of Roanoke, and man, these people know how to scare.
It is a wild, no filter, no holds barred party with monsters.
Yes, and you start off your trip on the craziest bus ride you'll ever go on. So without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Have some fun.
I just got hexed.
Oh my God!
Ah! Gotcha! Stop, move! I don't like the lights.
I think I totally got me. Ooh. Ah! She was loud. It is so dark out here. I know. Gosh. It is pitch black out here. This doesn't sound good up ahead. Oh, there's a big fog. Oh gosh.
Pumpkin king.
Ah! Ah, it's getting my hair! There's something in this corn. There's something in the corn. It literally is pitch black. And it's so foggy. I don't know if we're ever gonna get out of this.
Y'all gonna leave my family alone, you hear? Year after year, carving up pumpkins for what? Some sort of decoration?
But they're so cute.
Oh, but not this year.
Not this year.
This year, the pumpkins are gonna rise up, and we're gonna carve you.
I don't want to get carved up this year.
Whoa now.
Please don't carve me! I don't want to be carved again, please!
Oh, you got carved
Don't
up.
carve me, please!
Oh.
Please! I don't want to be carved!
Is it like a pumpkin tattoo?
Please! Don't carve me!
She doesn't want to be carved. That person's loud. Oh no. Oh no. Something scary's probably in here.
Come on in!
Hey there, Hulk.
I tell you what, sir.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we're gonna have a fun motherfucking day today.
Yeah.
Oh. And girl, don't look at me, for the simple fact is I can literally kick a field goal between the gap in your teeth. Just be quiet if I were you guys. Now come on in nice and slow for me.
All right.
Nice and slow. Oh, sorry, I dropped my frog. Would you mind picking it up?
Oh shit. There you go.
He wants to see his butt. Brad totally just got hit on. Ooh.
Y'all forget I know where y'all park.
Oh man.
Look at me! Look at what they did!
Where are you off to in such a hurry? Don't you want to join my friends?
Sure.
I'll make you just as pretty as she is. Come on, you look perfect up on my wall.
It's a skin party.
Hurt you guys too bad. I'll even give you placards.
Oh gosh.
like shit, you eat it.
No, Lizzie, please take me with you. I can't stand it.
We couldn't help that one.
You're waking up the bugs. Do you want to clog the drain for me? The water, it's just not working. But I keep the cockroaches all over the wall. It's just like a rubber duck, you know? Splish, splash, for taking a bath. Oh no, they didn't get clean.
Oh, goodness.
Hey, Gumbo! I got you. Do you like my doll?
Sure.
Yeah? Oh, you're a liar. You don't like her. When? Now she's crying. You hurt her feelings. It's not nice to lie to people.
Oh, God. What is this here? What is this here? She's talking to herself.
Do you want to play with my friend?
Sure.
Look, they're in the corner right over there.
Oh, no.
Oh my goodness.
I have a feeling this friend isn't going to be a nice friend.
I want to play with you.
Oh, I don't know.
Play with you and go home with you. They want to take your soul just like they took mine.
This comes out of the wall. This comes out of the wall.
For church, you can't be late. Have you done the reading yet? Have you done the reading?
What are we reading?
Oh, the Bible.
Oh, Bible. No, we don't read that. No.
Oh, Necronomicon? You're very dramatic. You're late. Very much.
Oh, Molly. This is scary. Oh, this bridge moves.
Finally! You arrived.
Oh, we're coming in here.
We've been waiting for you.
Oh, no.
Y'all, man.
Oh.
I thought I told y'all to be here at 7:30.
Oh, God.
Turn in your club.
No, baby, I told you to be here at 7:30 and you're late.
Oh, no.
They're not gonna like that. Chanting has already begun. Don't make them wait. They get impatient if they have to wait.
This is not a nice church.
How do we chant?
Not.
Bury me to my grave, bury me. I said bury me. Bury me, don't step on my thing, you fool. That's my dress.
I'm stepping on the dress.
Don't bury me. Don't bury me. No, you leave me. I didn't do anything wrong. No.
I don't think she did anything wrong. Oh,
You like my swamp?
I do.
Little creepy. You have to go there?
Oh, man. Oh,
The beast.
this is one. We are getting smushed.
Little pig.
Look what they did to me! Look at my face! Look what they did! Those witches are always in my face! Look what they did! Look at me! Look! Help! And look! Look what they did!
You're disturbing my peace. I want to be alone. So why y'all coming through my junkyard?
He's not happy we're in his junkyard right now.
I know I'm not. I'm just looking for parts. And I will be finding you tonight. Because you smell like a good stew.
Oh.
And what is that modern technology you got there? That's a weird ass. I've never seen anything like that before.
A floating mirror.
Yeah.
What kind of bullshit is this? Yeah, let's walk together. You want to skip? Ah, my leg.
You're a good pole dancer.
I do my best. Have a good night. Don't get eaten.
I don't want to get eaten. Oh.
Yeah, right through there.
Man.
Hey, that's cheating. That is cheating.
Walking on a slope.
This whole room is sloped. We can't see it. Oh, step down. I have no idea where. can't see it all in here. We're being smoked out.
Oh wow, check out this hallway.
Yeah. These pumpkins are so cool. Oh gosh. That guy.
Whoa.
This is amazing.
This is some wild clown business.
Yeah.
Double, toil and trouble, cauldron, brewing, cauldron,
Vortex tunnel. Fuzzy walls. I can't see a thing.
Oh, rabbit!
Oh gosh.
Oh, rabbit!
It is so smoky.
Oh!
Ah!
What are we screaming about? We're going down to hell, I promise you that much. Come on, right this way. Now you must understand that I am your savior. Come on, I gotta let you know, beyond this point is a wonderful exhibit. We got some psychopaths and animals locked up here tonight.
Great.
Please, please.
We love psychopaths and animals.
Just watch your fingers. They don't get a little hungry. I gotta say, we do too.
Stop sucking my finger! Why are you looking at me?
Ah! They all want to get out.
Just stay still! Don't listen to anything she says! Don't listen to Stay still! Poison! It's not poison! Don't listen to anything she says!
We're on the dinner barrel now. I sure hope we ain't eating. Mama Butterbean is gonna fill y'all up nice and right. 5-finger discount on special, baby. It might be a little tough and rubbery, but once you get past it, the flavor's the best. Come on, get the pinky teeth. Come on.
Oh.
No, I wasn't. Yes, you were. No, I wasn't. Yes, you were.
Oh gosh, she's getting her butt kicked. Ah!
Exactly why I don't watch the show.
These gals in the prison don't. These gals in the prison don't play. Wear ear protection when you come in here. Whoa! Oh God!
Me here, looky. I'm so glad you came to join me, sweetheart. You get to watch somebody die for free. Come on in. You get a front row seat. Oh, don't die.
Oh gosh!
Right here.
Oh
Just so
great!
you don't fall.
Oh man!
Watch your ankles here. You got a front row seat. Don't you forget this.
Okay.
Hey, Todd. We got some visitors, and I think you're gonna like this one. Oh, here we go.
Oh! He just burnt her a crisp.
Hello, I'm Mama Hot. I am the fortune teller of the evening. Would you like to pick a card? Any card. What did you get tonight, ma'am?
I got the devil demon.
The devil. I will not discuss that card. I'll let you pick one more.
I'm gonna pick. I got the fool.
That means everything's unsure.
Uh-oh. Ah! We're going into the freak show. Twisty! Hi! Yeah!
I got one hell of a show for you tonight! We gonna want miss this!
Oh my God. These guys are crazy!
Hello, new friends. Do you want to join me in the ball pit?
I kept it nice and warm for you. Don't ask me how, you won't like the answer.
That actually looks really fun.
I can bring the ball pit to you in some Nobu ball. Yes. Balls, Wellyland, balls. And four.
Balls everywhere! We all love balls!
Come on in, come on in! Now, I gotta tell you something a little bit about showbiz. You know, specters, they don't like it when you stab into a body and there's nothing. They like hearing the sounds of despair and pain!
Oh gosh. There's a lot of...
Hello, friends! Come closer. Let me get a good look at you. You taste delicious. And I have been so hungry. Do you want me out of this cage and from some of your bestest?
I'll let you out.
Forever and ever. You'll let me out?
I will!
Yay!
We're just gonna find a way to get you out.
I thought you were gonna let me out.
Please help! Please! Please help! Please stop saying help!
Uh-oh.